We are Bestdealer, an integrated sourcing and fulfillment partner with more than 6 years of hands-on experience. If supplier hunting, high customization costs, or slow logistics are holding back your growth, it stops here. We run 3 hubs in China, each about 10,000 square meters, and 8 warehouses in the United States and Europe. That puts us closer to buyers, gets orders to the door faster, and reduces support tickets. With 6 years in dropshipping and thousands of real overseas reviews, you start with proof. You get access to over 1 million partner factories and a 10 billion item catalog, with millions of trending products to choose from, so testing is faster and selection feels certain. After selection, we deliver a one-stop service across the flow. We handle fulfillment, brand details, and quality checks, and where available, we provide free warehousing and branded packaging. Orders move in a closed loop through factory, procurement warehouse, quality inspection, and global fulfillment. With one point of contact, a dedicated agent, and 24/7 support, handoffs stay smooth and schedules stay on time. We intercept issues before shipping, and status remains clear end to end. One partner for sourcing and fulfillment. Start faster with Bestdealer.